Hello students, today I will be discussing a very important chapter in partnership, that is fundamentals of partnership. I will be showing you how a profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. My focus would be on the journal entries. Like a sole proprietorship firm, a partnership firm also needs to prepare the same accounts like the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. In partnership, there is an additional need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation means distribution. Just because there are more than one owners, we need to show the distribution of profits among the owners in their agreed profit sharing ratio. So here I start preparing the profit and loss account and the partner's capital. I'll be writing the journal entries one by one, and then I'll be showing how these entries are posted in the profit and loss appropriation account and partner's capital account. First, we need to transfer the net profit as per profit and loss account to the profit and loss appropriation account. It is this amount which gets distributed among the partners. So our first entry would be PL account debit to PL account. PL is a profit and loss. I suppose all of you know this. Thereafter, let me post this item. How this will be posted? In the profit and loss appropriation account, we are going to write by PL account. Net profit brought down. The first item normally that gets distributed among the partner is interest on capital. Interest on capital. Okay. Interest on capital. Why this is paid? This is paid to the partner so that a partner who has paid more capital gets compensated for that. Our first entry would be interest on capital account. Interest on capital account debit. It's an expense for the firm, so debited to partner's capital account. It's a liability to the firm. Inside liability, a liability towards the capital, so capital increases. So we credit capital to partner's capital account. These are, and just a moment, and we need to transfer the interest to the profit and loss appropriation account. This interest is an expense of the firm. It needs to be closed by transfer to PL account. So the entry is PL appro account debit to interest on capital account. Now we will be posting these two entries. The first entry was interest on capital to partner's capital account. On the partner's capital account, we will be writing over here by interest on capital, and in PL appro we will be closing the interest on capital by transfer to PL appro. So we will be writing here to interest on capital A and B, total over here. Next distribution would be for salary. This is the third entry. For salary, what is the entry we pass? Salary is an expense, so again salary account debit to partner's capital. Partner's capital account. And for transfer of salary to PL Appro account debit to salary account. Okay. So far as posting is concerned, we'll post it the same way we did it for interest on capital. We'll write here by salary and over here in the PL account we're going to write to salary. For the fourth entry, it may be for commission, the entry would be commission account debit partners capital account and PL account debit to partners commission. Very easy. The entries are very easy. If we post this, the result would be same like salary again. By commission and over here we are going to write to commission. If it is paid to both the partners, we are assuming it's paid to both the partners. It might well as be paid to any one of them. Okay. Now comes the entry for interest on loan. Say a partner advanced loan to the firm. In that case, the firm will pay interest to the partner. The fifth entry we pass for interest on loan. Interest on loan. Interest on loan. Let me clarify. Taken from partner. Taken from partner. Okay. Here, what will be our first entry? Interest again is an expense to the firm, so interest debited. Interest on loan account debit to partners loan account, not capital. Partners loan account. Okay, not capital. A separate loan account is prepared under partnership. And then we transfer the loan, interest on loan to the PL account. PL account debit to interest on loan account. Okay, and let me post this. Obviously nothing will be posted to the capital account as the first entry was routed through loan account, interest on loan to loan, but on transfer of interest on loan to PL will be passing an entry over here. The posting will be here to interest on loan account. See again here it is both the partners. Interest on loan is well argued by many authors as charge against profit, so it should be deducted from the profit and loss itself. But again many are of the view that it may be shown as a distribution of profit. However, in case of rent for partners' premises used by the firm, this rent is a charge against profit and needs to be deducted from the net profit itself. Then the sixth entry I'll show you for drawings. The sixth entry would be for drawings. Partners drawings. In case of drawings, what entries we pass? It's very easy. For the amount drawn by the partner on a regular basis from out of the profits to meet their household contingencies and other purposes. The entry for that is partners capital account debit to cash. Partners capital account debit to cash. Drawings is what? A reduction of capital only. So we write partners capital account debit to cash. Okay. Cash, or it may be bank as well. For charge of interest, the firm will be charging interest. So what entry we pass? Interest on drawings is an income. Okay. So we debit partners capital account because it's an amount receivable from the partners. Partners capital account debit to interest on drawings. And on transfer of interest on drawings, what entry will pass? Interest on drawings account debit to PL approved account. These are the entries for drawings and interest on drawings. So let's post these entries. The first one was partners capital to cash. So let me write here to cash. Okay. And then for interest on drawing, what was the entry? The first entry was partners capital account debit to interest on drawings. So we'll write here to interest on drawings. It would be better if I write over here, if I change the entry a bit. Let me show you over here. Instead of passing a direct entry for drawings, we could have done this. I should have written over here drawings account debit. Okay, drawings debit to cash, and then what we can do is we transfer drawings to capital. That is the correct entry actually. Drawings to cash and then capital account debit to drawings. Anyways, drawings account gets closed. I was actually passing the net entry capital to cash, but it's better when we pass the journal entry. So let us show it. Drawings debit to cash and then capital account debit to drawings. Drawings account get closed, but the entry as a result of this posting in the capital account will appear like this. It will appear over here like to drawings, and in the PL approve it will appear like by interest on drawings. Why? Because our second entry was interest on drawing debit to PL approve. So in PL approve we are going to write by interest on drawings. Okay. Then we come back to our last entry, that is share of balance of profit among the partners. The entry number 7. What remains is the share of profit distributed among the partners. The entry would be PL approve debit, PL approve account debit to partners capital account. This was for share of profit. Obviously for share of loss the entry would be different. Just the reverse. Partners capital account debit to peer appropriation account. Okay, this was in case of share of loss. On posting this, how will that appear? Let me show you. There will be an entry over here like to partners capital account. Partners capital. In the end, we will have to balance this account. Okay, and of course, this is the balancing figure. This one is the balancing figure, which is called the share of profit distributed among the partners in the agreed ratio. So our PL appropriation account gets closed. How do we close the capital account? Now see, we have made all the postings into the partners capital account. We just need to write the opening balance over here. The opening balance will of the capital account will obviously appear over here by balance B by D. We need to write the opening balance over here, and then we need to balance the account. We write the total over here. Okay, and then we need to balance. The credit side is more, the balance will be here to balance C by D, and both this will match, and we bring down the balance as by balance B by D. This was all about PL application account and partners capital account. You can see how it automatically got completed, and you are through with the journal entry part as well. Okay, so let me recapitulate once. What are the entries we passed finally? First we passed the entry for transfer of profit from net profit loss account to profit loss appropriation account. Then we made all the distributions from the profit by way of interest on capital, salary, commission, interest on loan, and share of profit in the end. We charged from the partners interest on drawings, and we have now come to know what are the entries we pass for each and every item. For interest on capital, we have passed these 2 entries. For salary, we passed the same 2 entries. For commission, again the same 2 entries, similar type. Interest on loan, again there was a bit of a point worth noting here. For interest on loan, we don't credit partners capital account, but we credit the interest on loan account. For drawings, we need to pass a drawings entry first, which is drawings to cash and then capital to drawings. For a proper reflection into the account, we should show the breakup. And then for interest on drawing, interest being an income, interest on drawings being an income, we pass the entry. How do we pass the entry? Partners capital debit to interest on drawing, and then interest on drawing debited to partners PL application. So we are through with the interest on drawing as well, and in the end we transfer the profit to the partners capital account or loss to the partners capital account this way. Okay, so these are the 7 pair of entries we need to pass.